Ecology is the analysis and study of interactions among organisms and their environment. Ecology consists of biotic, living and abiotic, non-living components. Abiotic components include sunlight, precipitation, wind, topography, humidity, soil, temperature, etc. Biotic components refer to living organisms. Biotic components can be classified as autotrophs, producers, and heterotrophs. Heterotrophs is further classified into four parts: phagotrophs, consumers, osmotrophs, decomposers, biophages, feeding on living organisms, spirophages, feeding on dead organisms. First, primary producers, autotrophs. Autotrophs are called so because they produce their own food. They have the ability to synthesize carbohydrates from water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. For example, green plants, algae, etc. Consumers, heterotrophs do not produce their own food. They consume either plants, primary consumers, or animals, secondary consumers. Heterotrophs are further of two types: phagotrophs and osmotrophs. Phagotrophs. Phagotrophs digest their food either derived by plants or animals or both. Phagotrophs are also called macro consumers. Phagotrophs are further classified into three types. First, herbivorous, animals that feed on plants. Second, carnivorous, animals that feed on other animals. Third, omnivorous, animals that feed on both plants and animals. Osmotrophs. Osmotrophs are those organisms which convert their food into simple substances and absorb those substances. Osmotrophs are also called microconsumers. Osmotrophs include bacteria and fungi which decompose organic matter to gain nutrients from dead organic substances. The decomposed organic waste is called detritus. Earthworm and certain soil organisms are detritus feeders. So these organisms which feed on detritus are called detritivores. Heterotrophs can be classified into biophages and spirophytes. Biophages, organisms that derive nourishment for its existence from other living organisms. Spirophytes, organisms that derive nourishment by feeding on dead organisms.